Doesn't seem to take any shit from anybody, you know. She's an attorney.
Having a woman as a president is going to make us look even more weak. Because humans are very sexual human beings. And some of men, we have pretty barbaric ways of thinking. And I think that the world would be thinking that, wow, their president of the United States is getting over. Is that wrong for me to say that? Because it's
Not.
she's still at the end of the day. Somebody's like, is she the president of the United States or is her husband the president of the United States? He's the one who's been in the room. So that's the type of thinking that people think. That's with me. I'm
That guy tried to. I mean, totally for show. But he had he was pretty docile about it. He just walked up to the barrier and he said, "This ends Edwin. He's here from Venezuela, doesn't have any papers. He wants to go to the DMC. Will you let him in?" No, he has to have a credential. So then they went into the credential station, like, okay, we're here to get him some credentials. They're like, okay, you have the DMC. Nope. We didn't give you credentials. You know, he's trying to prove the point that it's harder to get.
I think that's the kind of the given.
Hopefully just keeps getting better.
Hey Sarah, come on back.
like here.
He's back. late. Nah, I'm not gonna do it. I'll do it tomorrow, or I'll do it before school starts.
When your hair is shorter too, this the fine thinning look of hair doesn't look the same.
Yeah. Why is that? Just covers better.
I'm not gonna say illusion, but
Pretty much.
because your hair grows out, and in the areas where it's growing slower at, it becomes evident.
That makes sense.
Because people can see all this length here and there and there, and then right here you got this big spot that's like can't catch up with everybody else. But when you cut it down, now it's a level playing field.
Yeah.
Did you classic class?
I like it short.
Several classes.
We could have went shorter, but you don't want to be drastic.
That's a long time.
Right.
Yeah.
You always go shorter.
Yeah, I like it. I like the way it is. It's good.
That length works.
Make room
It's
on
good.
it. Do they let you go for lunch?
Fernando. What's up, Fernando? Good.
I know when we were at
Fernando.
freshman year, they let us stay in a couple of buildings. And so my locker, we would have one building, come out, take those books to the other class. The other side of campus. So I had to go super early. So then I could leave, go back to my locker. Because that is also the
Thank you.
I don't think I ever really had a study hall. I was just like home in the room. So good. See, if I had a study hall, I'm not good.
Oh, I forgot to ask you, how's Carter doing?
Yeah, man. You take his wife out to the kids?
Yes. How far along is she?
They're pretty early. Yeah, he's doing good. He's on this workout plan.